guys, I was getting so many questions regarding my skincare routine. So here I am sharing my skincare routine and you can say nighttime skincare routine with you guys. So before starting my nighttime skincare routine, firstly I will remove my makeup and I was filming the video, so I have to remove that makeup. If you are wearing, then you have to clean your makeup with the micellar water, and if you are not wearing, then skip this part. So here I'm using this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This is for all skin types. And guys, seriously trust me, this will remove the waterproof makeup, mascara and eyeliner and all the things, and waterproof lipsticks also. And this is so good, and this will not going to dry out your face. And so I really like this, the formula and the oil infused in this bottle. So this is very good for dry skin people. So next I'm going to use my favorite and the star of the show face wash. This is my all time favorite. This is Simple Ka face wash hai. This is so good guys, and I really like the gel kind of consistency. The gel kind of formula is so nice, and this will removes your completely dirt and dust. And you have to massage it at least 30 to 40 seconds. Then after, you have to rinse the face with normal water, and this is so suitable for sensitive, dry and oily kind of people. Everyone can use it, and I have talked about this product many times. Next, I'm going to use my favorite product from the brand The Body Shop, Vitamin E Hydrating Toner, or we can say it's a tonic. And this is very hydrating toner, suitable for all skin type, but I must say that this is suitable for dry skin. 250 ml the bottle is, and the price is 8.95, a little bit pricey. Next I'm going to share and my favorite product. This is Innisfree Jeju pomegranate revitalizing emulsion. This is so nice, and I have finished my half a bottle, and this is also very expensive dosto. I think 14 or 1500 rupees, and you will get 160 ml of quantity. Some of you were asking that please mention the price of the product, so here I'm sharing the price. Otherwise there is no intention to showing off and all. So this product is very good for dry and normal kind of people, and this will protect you from the anti-aging properties. And I just love this. The fragrance is so nice, and it's a Korean based brand. And next I'm going to use this Plum Goodness grape seed and sea buckthorn night cream, and I have used the sea buckthorn facial serum or oil, we can say. That was so good, and this is 50 gram of product. I think 450 or maybe 500 approx the cost is there. And the formula is nice, very hydrating, and I think doesn't suit for oily skin, because this is going to be greasing out. And this is suitable for dry skin people, and just love the formula. I'm just enjoying it. And you have to use the night cream at night, because this makes your skin more smoother, and you will get smooth skin, supple and hydrate also. So that's why these steps are not very mandatory. If you are interested in such kind of things, if you wanted to like a glowy skin and hydrated and supple, then you can use these product. Otherwise, one or two products are sufficient for you. Next I'm going to use my favorite product. This is again from Korean brand Innisfree Aloe Revital Sleeping Pack hai dosto. And this is Aloe from Jeju, and this is 100 ml product, and I think 9.95 approx the price is there. So this is very hydrating side of product. This is not very compulsory, but I enjoyed, so that's why I'm sharing. And this is the last step of the night skincare routine. Whenever you are completing all the steps, you have to cover all these things with a sleeping pack. This is going to be firm your skin, and this is very nice and hydrating kind of product. This will going to be absorbs instantly into your skin and makes your skin smoother and firm and hydrate, and rest of the product is remaining. I'm going to apply on my hands, and after that I'm going to use my lip balm from Oriflame. This is also very nice and hydrating. This will provide you nourishment to your lips, and this is also helpful to protect the lips from crack and chapped lips. So I really enjoyed. So this is my final result of my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you like such kind of videos, so please follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.